again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. So it's the beginning of the month. We've got a new Madam Glam collection. So there's 8 in this collection. 6 of them are creams, and it's got these 2 shimmers. Wait and see these shimmers, guys. They are stunning. So yeah, and look at the new labels. I don't know if this is a new thing or if it's just for this collection. I'm not sure, but they're pretty, aren't they? I like that they're all different. Very pretty. So let's quickly have a look at the colours. We've got Supernova Love, Magic Dust, Love Energy, The Chaser, and Hardcore. I think it's Hardcore. So I'm going to start with Supernova Love. This is not a glitter. It's like a shimmer, like a shimmery pigment. It's absolutely stunning and jam-packed full of that shimmer pigment. Like, look at the coverage on that. It's completely full coverage just in that one thin coat. I love it. Yeah, it's not a glitter at all. It's more of like a shimmer pigment. Beautiful. And now we have got Magic Dust. These colours are very similar. They are different. I will show you and explain more what I think about them in a minute anyway, but aren't they pretty? And these last 3 are just creamy colours. Don't forget, guys, you can get 30% off Madam Glam products using my code unpolished30. It's always in my description box with a link to the website. And Madam Glam gels, they're all vegan, cruelty-free, HEMA-free. They're a 21-free formula, palm oil-free. Absolutely best out there. Best out there. I like that colour as well. It's like a dusty cherry red. And I was really happy with this colour because I've only got one red from Madam Glam. I've got Madam Glam's Perfect Red. I don't have any other reds at all. So yeah, this come at the right time for me. Perfect. So they've all been cured in a lamp. So I'll show you these shimmery ones first. Can you see they are very similar? I'd say the one on the left is like a rose gold. More of a rose gold kind of colour, and the one on the right is like a champagne gold. Very similar. I don't think you need both of these in your collection. I think you just need one of them as they are so similar. And that's the other 3. Beautiful, beautiful colours. I like them a lot. So I've pulled 2 extra colours out. We've got Tulips and Bright Barbie Pink Neon. I'm going to use them 2 as well. So I've pulled out Love Energy, Tulips and the Chaser for this first nail. I'm going to do a 3 colour ombre. So Love Energy at the top, Tulips in the middle, and the Chaser at the bottom. So just nice thin layers. You don't want these layers thick. Nice thin layers, and I'm going to use the Madam Glam ombre brush and just ombre them together. It didn't need to be a perfect ombre because I'm putting artwork over the top of it. But just swipe side to side and move your brush up and down slightly just to mix those colours. Yeah, don't worry about your first layer being a bit patchy. We're going to do a second layer. And make sure you wipe your brush off on a lint-free wipe in between colours. So that's going to go in the lamp for 30 seconds, and we're going to do exactly the same on the second coat. So I'm just quickly giving this a matte top coat. I'm just using an old matte top coat. This is just so that I like to paint artwork on a matte top coat. So I'm using the long fine liner from Madam Glam. I love this brush. I use it for everything now. And this is just going to be like zebra stripes. So you want to start with like a bit of a blob on the end of your brush and just pull it like a wiggly line and just pull it to a flicky point. If you start with a bit of a blob on the end of your brush, you want that to be the thickest part. And yeah, just pull it into a point. I've done a little bit of a triangle there, and I'm going to do a little line in the middle of that. Easy way to do zebra stripes, isn't it? Just start with a blob on the end of your brush and pull that wiggly line into a point. And I'm going to carry that on down the whole of the nail. That's that done. That's gone in the lamp for 30 seconds, and I'm just using a really generous layer of top coat just so that I can really smooth that nail out, because I wanted it to have a matte finish. So I'm just going over it with a little buffer. You don't have to do this. I just like my nails extra smooth. Just giving it a little buff just to get any slight bumps out. And then I'm going to go over it now with the Madam Glam Velvet Matte Top Coat. That's going to go in the lamp for 30 seconds. And that'll be that nail finished. I really like that. I think that's really nice. Cute. So this second nail now, this is going to have a full coat of Madam Glam Perfect White. The coverage on this white is crazy. I love it. Look at that. You really don't need a second coat with this white. So doing some love hearts with my dotting tool. Easy. 2 little dots, and then just pull them together in the middle and pull them together on the outside like that. Super easy way to do love hearts. So I'll show you one more. You could do these bigger, you could do them smaller. So just pull it together in the middle like a V shape, and then same on the outside, pull it together in a V shape, and there's your hearts done. So I'm going to use all them colours, all different hearts across the whole nail. And now I wanted it to kind of be like leopard print. I'm just doing some black outlines on the hearts. You don't want to completely cover the whole outline. And using that ombre brush, just tiny little flicks. Just pull that black, tiny little flicks. And keep wiping your brush off on that lint-free wipe. Yeah, just nice thickish black lines. You could put them where you want. Just don't completely cover the heart, leave little gaps. And then yeah, look, just little flicks going through. And I'm going to do that on all of the hearts. And then again, using a small dotting tool, same thing, 2 little dots, and pull them together to make teeny tiny little hearts. But I'm going to put a little flick on the end of these ones, can you see? Little teeny weeny flick. And then just some random little black splodgy marks. And that's that nail done. That's going to have a matte top coat as well. Cute, I like it. I love these colours. So this next nail is going to be a half and a half. So we're going to do 1/2 in the white. Just using a long liner brush. And then I'll use the brush out of the bottle. Completely cover that. And that's going to go in the lamp for 30 seconds. And on the other half, I'm going to start with a black line and cure that. And then I'm just going to use, again, the colours on my palette and do a couple of different colour lines. And the last part, the most of it will be done in the brighter pink. That's called Tulips. And I'm just quickly flash curing each of those colours for 10-15 seconds, just so they don't bleed into each other. So now, same again, we're going to do some hearts, exactly the same way with the dotting tool. All these hearts are going to be black. I am going to do them all, trying to get them all the same colour, and just have them slightly pointing in different directions. So again, just 2 dots, pull them together in the middle, pull them together on the outside. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. And I'm going to carry that on down the whole of the nail. That's going to go in the lamp for 30 seconds, and again, that's going to have a matte top coat. I will probably do the matte top coats off camera, guys, because yeah, they're all the same. So there we have 3 nails done. So onto this 4th nail. So this is going to be a full nail of the perfect white. Again, I'm just doing one coat, and we're going to start with a black squiggly line, and where I've got where the curves are, I like to do the line a little bit thicker. You don't really want the line to be the exact same width, so I kind of do the lines a little bit thicker on the curves. And I'm just going to use again the colours on my palette and just follow that black line now, and just do just a few different colours, same thing, squiggly lines. And again, I'm just giving these colours a quick flash cure in between. Can you see on the curves I kind of do the line a little bit thicker? I just think it looks better. So now I've cured them in the lamp, and I've gave them a top coat just so it's nice and smooth for me to work on. And again, dotting tool, and I'm doing some teeny tiny little love hearts. Again, these are like little short fat ones just on the stripy parts of the nail. Obviously if I put them on the rest of the nail, they're white, you wouldn't see them. And then I'm going to use my dotting tool again to do some 4 pointed stars, just one dot. And then again, using that same brush, just pull a line going down, a line going up, and then a line straight through the middle. And we're going to do some little dots just to fill in some of them little gaps. And again, that's going to get cured and have a matte top coat. That's that nail done. Right, and now we're going to do this last nail. This is very similar to the half and half nail that I did. So we're going to do half of this nail in the black, and we're going to do half of it in the tulips pink. And more love hearts. I am going to do all the love hearts to start with in white, because they're on a black background. I wanted the colours to really pop. So I'm going to do all the love hearts in white, and then I'm going to colour them in using the colours. I do separate these two colours with a white stripe straight down the middle. I will just let you watch this last nail, guys, and I'll be back at the end. There we go, guys, that is them finished. I really like these. I think they're just so bright and vibrant. I think actually my favourite nail actually is between two. The first two, the love heart / leopard nail and the zebra print nail. I think they are my favourite nails. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Take care, bye.